Lisa's deciding whether to play tennis or water polo this summer. She has 30% chance she wants to play tennis. So if we're looking at that's a review from a couple days ago. Tennis versus water polo. We got 30% chance of tennis. We can fill that in. In some cases, we might be asked about this first set. But if we know that, this has to be 0.7 because it's the rest of the 0.3. Now, if she plays tennis, it says she could make varsity or not. So varsity not is an acceptable kind of label there for that. It could be JV, it could be freshman, it could be whatever. 20% chance of making varsity, which means she has 80% chance of not making the varsity team. Now, if she plays water polo, she has a 60% chance of making water polo. So, or making varsity. So varsity versus varsity not, you got your 0.6. That means there's a 40% chance she doesn't. Okay? You know, you can look at that type of thing and say, you know, if she really wants to play varsity, maybe, you know, lean this way, and maybe that's why she's more likely to go water polo. But that's beside the point. What's the probability that she will play for a varsity team? Well, that can happen one of two ways. Varsity tennis or varsity water polo. The word or means add them together. So you multiply this, be careful, 0.3 times 0.2 is not 0.6. 0.06. And 0.7 times 0.6, 0.42. So you add those together and you're going to get 0.48. Right? Now, contrasting that one, I've got 17. Ralph either going to bake cupcakes or cookies for his class's Easter party. And it doesn't give any more information. This is the contrast between these two tree diagrams. Okay? Cupcakes or cookies, CC versus C, cupcakes, cookies. And we don't have a probability attached to that. If he bakes cupcakes, he's 10% likely to burn them. So it's again a burn and burn not thing. 0.1 versus 0.9. Burn and burn not. Bakes cookies, 0.6 versus 0.4. Okay? If the probability he bakes cookies, we're here, and doesn't burn them, we're here, is 28%, 0.28. Then as we work our way backward, this has to be 0.7. Then the question is, probability to bake cupcakes. Sorry, 0.3. And so the answer, yes, 30%. Very good.